Good morning and welcome to this HTML5 course. In this chapter, we will see how to select provider and a public URL. To start, what do you need? Well, we need a domain or a subdomain. And we also need a web hosting server. Then, how to get a domain? The domain name is simply the public name of our website. You can have a free domain such as yourapp.firebaseapp.com, or you can have the choice to have a paid domain such as yourapp.com, yourapp.rocks, or with a geographical domain such as yourapp.fr. Then, how to pay for a domain? Well, you have the choice of top-level domain such as com, net, or name. Also the choice of a country with the .fr UK or for example Japan, the .jp. You can also choose to have a generic domain with .something. For example, you have the Google's domains, DreamHost domains, GoDaddy, and Namecheap. With that, you can choose a domain name. We will go immediately to Namecheap to see a concrete example. So here, we are on the site namecheap.com and we will be able to choose a domain name on this site. I'm going to choose a name for the coffee app that we made just before. For example, I'm going to choose to call it My Little Coffee and I want to see if domain names are available. Then the page finished loading. We can see that mylittlecoffee.com is a domain name.com, so premium. It's therefore 8,000 euros. On the other hand, we have domains like mylittlecoffee.net, which is 7.81 euros per year. We also have the .org and other domains available. For example, that mylittlecoffee.shop, which can be nice, that is only 2 euros per year. It's up to you to choose what suits you. You have a lot of things. You just have in general, so the .com, which is a premium domain, obviously, so it's more expensive. Then, how to select a web hosting provider? You have the choice between a free or paid provider. You also have the choice of a shared web hosting, a server that is virtual or dedicated, or a static hosting based on the cloud. What are the cloud services available? You have Google Firebase. You also have ZateNow, Amazon, which is very well known, the aws.amazon.com, and obviously the Microsoft Azure.